Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Explorer turbocharger problems and the potential issues associated with them. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Turbocharger problems in the Ford Explorer are generally reported in models equipped with turbocharged engines. Owners commonly describe symptoms such as reduced power, delayed acceleration, unusual whining or whistling noises, warning messages, or increased exhaust smoke. Verified owner reports and service information show that turbo-related concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Explorer model years using turbocharged powertrains, with variation based on engine design, mileage, maintenance, and driving conditions. One verified and frequently reported cause involves turbocharger wear over time. Internal components such as bearings and seals can degrade, which may lead to noise, oil consumption, or reduced boost pressure. These issues are more often noted in higher mileage vehicles or where maintenance intervals have been extended. Another confirmed cause is oil supply-related concerns. Turbochargers rely on consistent oil flow for lubrication and cooling. Low oil level, degraded oil, or restricted oil passages have been documented as contributors that can accelerate turbo wear or lead to premature failure. Boost control-related issues have also been reported. Problems involving wastegate operation, boost control solenoids, or related sensors may cause underboost or inconsistent performance. In some cases, the engine may limit power to protect components when abnormal boost conditions are detected. Charge air and intake-related leaks are another verified factor. Loose or damaged intercooler hoses, clamps, or connections can allow pressurized air to escape, resulting in reduced performance and abnormal turbo sounds without the turbocharger itself being fully failed. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include software-related control behavior, excessive heat buildup, or driving patterns that stress turbo components. These should be treated as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include inspecting oil condition and level, checking intake and charge air components for leaks, scanning for fault codes related to boost control, and repairing or replacing the turbocharger if internal failure is confirmed. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Explorer turbocharger complaints begin gradually with performance changes before becoming more noticeable. Outcomes vary by model year, engine configuration, and maintenance history. In conclusion, Ford Explorer turbocharger problems can stem from component wear, oil-related issues, boost control faults, or air intake leaks. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.